All of this footage almost ended up on my hard drive simply because I thought it was not good enough to share. I have bought myself a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and like everyone does, I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials. I copied all of the best settings from different YouTubers and I got this. An overexposed and really unbalanced footage with lots of noise and poor colors. I used the Osmo Pocket 3 to document my girlfriend's birthday and I really wanted to make sure that the footage turns out great. That's why I was really annoyed when I was editing the video and I saw how bad the footage turned out. For a while I couldn't tell if the problem was just the camera or me. So in this video I'm gonna share the two key details that 99% of the tutorials skip that helped me to turn my footage from this to this. Okay, grab a notebook and let's get to it. Every tutorial talks about frame rates, sharpness, profiles and so on. So let's quickly revise what we already know and let's get to the good part. You go into your settings, set the camera to 4K, 24 frames per second, then turn on Pro mode. Set your color profile to D-Log-M, sharpness and noise reduction both to -2, set the shutter speed to 1/50th of a second. I'm pretty sure you've heard all of this 1,000 times already. And I know what you're gonna say now. Yes, Osmo Pocket 3 has a fixed aperture, which means that it's gonna make your footage really bright if you shoot outside with these settings. And that's why you absolutely need ND filters. And now comes the key detail. A lot of camera systems, for example my Sony, suggest to overexpose your log footage in order to preserve the most detail in post. However, Osmo Pocket 3 does not shoot real log footage, that's why we have to approach it differently. And now, the actual key part. Now do yourself a favor and set the exposure compensation to -0.3 EV. Now if you set everything right in the settings and you're using ND filters outside, your exposure compensation meter should target -0.3 EV, which means that you're gonna get perfect exposure every single time. Once I understood that and stopped guessing, things started to change. But I also learned something else. Good looking footage does not come from perfect settings alone. Color takes work after filming and there are no magic presets and one-click solutions they're trying to sell you. As you probably noticed, footage straight out of this camera looks really flat without much color information. That is because it's shot this way to preserve as much detail as possible and to recover it in post, meaning it needs to be properly color managed and color graded. Again, 99% of the tutorials tell you to go to DJI website, download the Rec 709 conversion LUT and bam! By just applying it to the footage you should get amazing results, which in my case didn't work so well. Yes, I also tried the manual conversion in DaVinci Resolve using the color space transform and the right settings, and I got similar non-satisfactory results. I was honestly getting really frustrated researching the internet trying to find a solution that would give me good colors. But then I came across a video from Shalette, I'm gonna link it down below, who recommended using phantom LUTs as conversion LUTs for Osmo Pocket 3 footage. Honestly, I was a bit hesitant to spend money on conversion LUTs, but that was kinda my last option. I ended up buying the LUT pack and honestly, for the first time I was able to get consistently good results using a simple color grading process. Just to clarify, I'm not sponsored by the creator of the LUTs, I'm just telling you what works for me. And after that, I stopped blaming the camera, I stopped chasing new advice, and I know my footage is good enough to share it. This is not a review, it's not a tutorial, I just want to share what I learned and what works for me, and I hope it helps someone. Now I want to share with you the final edit of the footage you've been seeing all throughout this video. I hope you stick around, and if you make it to the end, please comment 30% down below, so I know you're 1 in 30% of the viewers who watch my videos till the end, and I can say thank you in the comments. Enjoy! Hello vlog! We're here at Treffen and it's Saturday before Christmas. The last Saturday in this year, or not? No, one more is gonna be. Okay, it doesn't matter. We're here because we're gonna go ice skating, right? And it's gonna be exciting.
Should do the...
What?
Should do the photo booth. We've never taken a photo of it.
Oh yeah, sure. We're gonna make a little photo booth session. Let's see. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's very small, but it's really nice and I enjoy it. Baby is really good. She has the professional skates on. So today is a special day because it's my baby's birthday. So we took ramen and it was really delicious. We were actually here one previous time, like one time before in the spring, and it was really good. So we decided to come again.
Yeah.
And I took the same dish, and you took the different one.
Yeah, it was new on the menu.
What's the
Tonkatsu.
yeah, and it was really nice. Matija chopstick skills. So now we're in the center. We're gonna check out the Christmas market. Oh, sorry, my bag is full. We're gonna check out the Christmas market and the ice skating ring, and then go around. It's snowing in Sudal. Today is a special day because we are celebrating the second part of Fionn's birthday, and we're going to Louisiana for a trip. We got off the train now and we're walking towards the museum. It's very cozy because it has snowed, or it was snowing in the night, so it's really beautiful and it's a perfect day. It's snowing again. We're getting a bit of snowflakes. Yeah, look on the cove. We're getting close and it's really nice. Oh, look at this house. Whoa, so nice. Now we're gonna have some lunch because we came to the canteen. We finished all the exhibitions now and we're walking just outside and it's really pretty because it's a lot of snow, right? Look. Now we're leaving. It was really nice. We had a super nice time and we saw a lot of super nice exhibitions, and I said the word nights a few times, but it was nice. And now we're going back. Yeah. Now we're going back